a crown. I couldn't tell the rain was ending, so must I go without a sound? Or should I stay, keep on pretending dreams are falling down like leaves, leaving time for something new? Won't you say a prayer for peace? Good God will pray for you. Good God will pray for you. So now you're running through the night. You say you're trying to find a reason, but reasons melt away and time leaves you frozen in the seasons of your broken memories, wondering how you got so blue. Won't you say a prayer for peace? Good God will pray for you. Good God